We decided to start working with Paperless Parts Marketing Solutions because we needed a better online presence. Our website needed a lot of work. Our social media was almost non-existent. So we hired on with Paperless Parts, and the entire team is incredible. They make marketing so simple, and it's not a daunting task for us. We love our Zoom calls, and so much comes out of those that we never expected. And they really got us thinking about what sets our shop apart from other machine shops in the area. On our blog, we've done a couple material spotlights, and a few minutes after those go out, we have gotten emails back from customers saying, I had no idea you worked with Nyloil. That's incredible. Here's a quote. Can you make these parts for me? So it's been a really great process.
When I decided to work with Paperless Parts Marketing Solutions team, I was actually already with a marketing firm, but they didn't have experience in this industry, and I continued to see my content and information come across that made our shop sound like we didn't know what we were talking about because they didn't have the technical expertise. The Paperless team really understands the industry, and their process actually pulls information from myself and others in the shop to create that technical content and language that makes it sound like we actually do know what we're talking about.
Now we've been doing it for over 2 years, and I go to other conferences, other manufacturer machining conferences, and people will say, you guys are all over social media. You guys have great blogs. How does that happen? It happens because of paperless marketing.
The reason we're working with Paperless Parts Marketing Solutions is, first, we had extremely good experiences in working with paperless parts to begin with on the digital platform that we're using today for quoting. We also are, like many other small businesses, having to wear different hats, and being able to allocate the time and resources to put together a professional marketing team or solution in that is things that we don't have time for, and we don't necessarily have the know-how and experience internally. So having Paperless Parts offer that to companies like ours is of a significant help. It helps us because we are able to achieve a lot in a small period of time because Paperless Parts takes over the heavy lifting for the marketing.
Yeah, we've seen some great results in regards to our Paperless Parts Marketing Solutions. They do all of our outreach emails on a monthly basis, and it highlights some of our capabilities. We have a lot of capabilities at Microtronics, and so sometimes customers know us for one capability but not another, and we can highlight all of those throughout the months of the year. And so we have seen some customers that maybe didn't know us for one thing, but they have a need for something else that we do, and they email us back and say, hey, I didn't know you did that, this is great, can you quote this for us? So it's been great.